Hey guys, this is Kit RCT. Just showing a little update video of my Losi 5B. I've been working on this, that's why I haven't drove my Kraken. I fixed the gasket, but I'm gonna get a running video of the Kraken Vector 5 here pretty soon. I just figured I'd make a little quick update video of what I've been doing. So I got the mod V4 shocks for the Losi 5B. The titanium the shock holders right here. Got those on there. So yeah, and I got the mod limiter straps. I just haven't put them on yet. Got the shockware covers for the big bore shocks. So I got both of the colors. I don't know. And what do we got? So I got the 840 in here. 845 for the steering. I'm gonna try it like this. I put just one servo. I mean, if I don't like it, I'll put the dual servos on. This right here is the Kraken braces you can buy from DDM. I could put it in the link if you want. I'll show you what I bought. But yeah, I didn't mount the receiver box yet because I'm trying to get I gotta get the engine and the receiver and everything. So yeah, it was an awesome build, this 5B, and I haven't seen very many people talk about it in their videos, so figured I'd talk a little bit about it. But yeah, I got the Bertolone chassis brace right here. I got the Bertolone quick release fan cover thing. That's what this is for, so you can pop out the quick release. I have it on one of my other trucks. I'm probably going to put it on the buggy. So yeah, whenever I get my engine, I'm probably going to get a 30.5 in this thing. So yeah. Yeah, but these shocks are really nice. Look at that. Really smooth. I put 30 weight in it to try. I don't know, I might have to adjust the rear a little, like bring down the tension a little. But it seems pretty good. Yeah. Oh yeah, well, the engine isn't in, so yeah, these shocks are amazing. The mod from where are they from right here? MattSpeedShop.com. You can get those shocks from mod yeah, Matt Olson, I think his name is. That's where I got these from. Yeah, but these shocks are awesome. Definitely worth the money, I think. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, I love these shocks, man. Yeah, but it's pretty much ready to drop in the engine. I just gotta get the receiver and stuff, so yep. I'm gonna try it like that. We'll see what happens. I have the hold on a second, I'll show you. Hold on, let me get the I have the other bearings for the rear diff. Yeah, so I have these right here. These are from Mod Shop 2. These are supposed to be better, but I put the rear diff together. I didn't realize. Oh wait, I didn't put together. You have to put together the diff. When you put the diff together, you got to put these on there, because if you have it all together, you can't put these on because of the bearings. I was like, well, I guess I'm using the stock ones. I mean, I'll probably just get another one and make it and put it in there. Because it's hard enough to get that thing together, especially those screws in there. When you tighten down the diff, those screws, man, they go really tight into those plastic ones. Yeah, but I'll get these on eventually, but it's the stock ones in there right now. Yeah, she rolls really good. Yeah. Just figured I'd make a little, update video. I got the Kraken all ready to go. Probably in a few days, we'll see. I'm gonna do a run out there. Do a little speed run in the street, and then, I'm gonna try and go do some crazy jumps out there too in the dirt. I'm gonna make a good video, so I'll get it, guys. I'm just doing other stuff with this thing. So yeah. Yep. Yeah, sure. If you guys ever thinking of getting this Losi 5B, it is a nice build. I mean, I love it. The only problem is these little turn links. They're a little tough to build, but not really. You just got to know how to do them right, and it's not that bad if you have the right tools. Like I used, what did I use? I used this little tool to press in the, I got this tool out of Harbor Freight. You can get this little thing. Yeah. But I use this to push in the little, the things on the linkage right here. That's pretty easy. But yeah, everything went together really good, so just figured I'd show a little video of this thing. Yeah. She was nice. One of these days I'm gonna race this thing, so that's kind of why I'm building it. I'm gonna race it at the track. Well, it would be freaking awesome. Yeah, I used to race a RC8T. Well, I was always there practicing at the track, but I never got a chance to freaking race it because every time I was about to, I ran out of money. But what are you gonna do? It's RCing. If I can get this body on, let me see. But yeah, there we go. Yeah, guys. There's the body on it. I don't know what color I'm gonna paint it yet. But yeah, guys. There's outerwears for them. You gotta buy the special outerwears DDM sells. These are the 32mm for the big bore shocks. So yeah. But yeah, these are a must-have for the diff. Like I said, I didn't put it together right, so. Well, I put the rear diff together. I didn't realize. Oh wait, yeah, I gotta do that, like I said earlier. But if you guys ever put that rear diff together and you have this, put the diff together and put these together. Just make sure you look in the book and put them on there right, because if you don't, you're going to be taking it apart again. But yeah, there's a part number for that. So, yeah, guys. I know everybody wants to see my Kraken Vector 5 run. I'm going to get it going pretty soon. I fixed the leak, so I already told you in the video, but yeah. There's a part number for this, I guess. I don't know. I'll put these links in the description when I upload it, so you guys can check them out if you want. And I'll put this the mod speed shop in the description too. But that's where he has a lot of really good stuff on there. There's the blue one. There's the blue. But yeah, guys. Yeah. There's. Okay. There's these. Alright. Alright. There we go, guys. A little quick update video. And, yeah, this 5B is going to be amazing, man, when I get it running. So, yeah. Alright, man. Alright, guys. Just a quick update video of my Losi 5B. This is Kit RCT. I'll get a running video of my Vector 5 here pretty soon, maybe in a few days. So, alright, I was just letting everybody know what's going on. You guys have a good day, man. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Kit RCT signing out.